In this video I will be using Rufus to create bootable Proxmox installation USB drive. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. To begin this video I will be downloading Proxmox ISO image and also Rufus executable. And for that I will be using the links that I have here in the GitHub page. So for Proxmox I will click on this one, and here I will be downloading the Proxmox VE installer. So I will click on the download button, and then I will go back to my GitHub page and click on Rufus. In here I will be downloading the portable version, so I will click on this executable, and then I will go to my downloads folder and wait for the downloads to finish downloading. And now that I have both of the files, I will execute Rufus. In here I will click no, because I don't want any updates. And in here we need to select our USB drive. Make sure to select the correct one, because it will be formatted and all of the data will be lost. So in this case I will select this one. Next we need to select the ISO image, so here I will click on select, go to the downloads folder and select the Proxmox ISO image. In here I will click OK, and that's basically it. We can leave everything else on default. I will click start and wait for the USB drive to be created. And that's it. Now I have my USB drive, and to test if it works correctly, I will go to my VMware workstation and I will try to boot from the USB drive inside of this virtual machine. So first I will connect the USB drive by going to VM, removable devices, select the USB drive that I want to connect and click on connect. Now I need to restart the virtual machine and it should start booting from USB drive. So for that I will just go to VM and click on Ctrl-Alt-Delete. And as you can see, the virtual machine successfully booted from the USB drive, and here we can see Proxmox installation. And that's basically it for this video. I will cover Proxmox installation in one of my future videos, so like and subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next one.